Good morning. This is Tyagarajan from Satyagraya College, Chennai. I am going to talk about on the role of information and communication technology in education. ICT includes products that would store, process, transmit, convert, duplicate, or receive electronic information. For this purpose, we need ICT. ICT also stands for Information and Communication Technologies, which refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunications. It includes internet, wireless networks, cell phones, and other communication mediums with which anyone can communicate anywhere throughout the world. There are some functions which ICT plays. For example, it is used for acquisition of knowledge, storage, manipulation management, transmission or reception of data or information. And it is highly useful for real-time access to information. And it is also available very easily for updating data. And again, it is helping the world link instantly. What are the objectives of ICT in education? ICT helps students to become competent and confident users for their daily activities. It is also helping students to excel in any field in the technological world of tomorrow. And there are some different types in ICT. For example, with the help of ICT, its functions and its mode is electronic mail, video conferencing, similar to telephone conferencing, and it is always helpful to connect business, organizations, and individuals. And what is the role of ICT in education? So generally, ITC enhances the quality of education in several ways. For example, by increasing learner motivation and engagement. So learners are motivated through ICT. It also facilitates the acquisition of basic skills. It is also enhancing teacher training. It can also promote the shift to learner-centered environment from teacher-centered environment. So finally, it is helping everyone to do some self-access activities. The importance of ICT tools in education. It is playing a vital role with which education is playing an important role in this world. Information and communication technology in schools particularly can be used as a school communication tool to improve students' learning and better teaching techniques. So with the advancement of science and technology in education, the schools and colleges adapt communication software to transmit, store, share, and exchange information. And what is the role of ICT in higher education? ICTs in higher education are being used for developing course material, delivering contents, and sharing contents. It is also helping for communication between learners, teachers, and the outside world. It is very helpful for the creation and delivery of presentation and lectures. It is helpful for academic research, administrative support, student enrollment, etc. Particularly during this lockdown period, this ICT is playing its vital role for conducting webinars, online courses, MOOC courses, etc. What are the key benefits of ICT based education? ICT based education is an important one nowadays, as the science and technology has improved a lot. It promotes learning by doing approach, which enables a self-paced learning. It also provides access to a wide range of up-to-date learning materials. It enriches learning through a combination of audio, video, images, text, and animation. It enhances learning through interaction and collaboration. Overall, ICT is an important tool for learning education. In what way we can integrate ICT into classrooms? There are several methods with which we can integrate ICT into classrooms, and its benefits also many. For example, ICT allows the teacher to produce and modify resources quickly and easily. It permits access to a wide range of information in various formats. Through interactive whiteboards, and it has become an essential tool in the classroom for teaching and learning activities. In what way it is helpful for teachers? What is the relationship between ICT and teachers? ICT helps teachers to interact with the students, both inside and outside countries. It helps them in preparation for teaching, provide feedback. ICT also helps teachers to access with institutions and universities. It also helps in the effective use of ICT software and hardware for a teaching learning process. So what will be the future of ICT in education? So ICT incarnates a vision for learning and teaching with the use of information, communications, and technology tools in order to provide to the teachers and students significant skills such as personal and social responsibility, critical thinking, digital competence, as well as collaboration and communication globally. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.